For those who are into AI video creation, you still have the chance to make a better use out of Flow. If you are still seeing this message whenever you open Google Whisk, congratulations to you. This is to inform you that Whisk is moving their image generation and animation to Flow. And when they are fully done, you won't be able to make use of their image and animation features in Whisk starting from 30th of April. So to make a better use out of Flow right now, this is what you should do. Click Try Flow and you'll be taken to this interface. Click your profile to see the number of credits you have. To enjoy the free benefits, click Upgrade and you will be directed to the membership page. Here you will see different plans. The one we are interested in is the Google AI Pro. Click Get Google AI Pro. Agree to the terms and the pop-up will be shown to you. Click Add Card. Make sure your inputs are correct. After that, click Save Card. If your card was added successfully, you will see this page telling you you've got Google AI Pro. Now, here is how your profile should look like after adding your card. You will notice that you no more have 50 but 1000 AI credits. Click Manage Membership to see the benefits after upgrade. Here is the zero plan I have upgraded to. So if I click See All Benefits, you will see 2 TB total storage for Google Photos, Drive and Gmail. Gemini app with 3.1 Pro and limited access to View 3.1. Flow with higher access to View 3.1. Whisk with View 3. 200 monthly AI credits. Notebook. LM with more access. Gemini in Gmail. Calendar and Meet. All other benefits in the premium plan. So you see, if you are worried about how to cancel this plan, just scroll down to the bottom. You will see Cancel Membership. Expand and click Cancel. Alternatively, you can go to your Google Play Store by typing play.google.com. Once you are here, click your profile. Come to Payments and Subscriptions. Switch to Subscriptions. Here you will be able to see all the subscriptions that are attached to your Google account. So to cancel your subscription, click Manage and a pop-up will be shown. Come to the bottom and click Cancel Subscription. And that is it. As a creator, you can still enjoy high quality image and video generation for free. In the comment section, let me know if this video is helpful. See you in my next video.